Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is Sakode. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of removing your recovery phone number from your Yahoo Mail account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. Then in the address bar, you type in yahoo.com. Then you sign in with your email and password. I'm typing my password, then click on next to log in to your Yahoo Mail. So click on your profile. Under the profile, click on account information. On your left side, click on account security. Then scroll through. Under recovery phone numbers, click beside it the number that you want to remove by clicking on edit. Pop-up will pop out to give you option to remove the phone number that you want to remove by clicking on the pencil icon beside it. And click on remove from my accounts to remove phone number from your Yahoo Mail account as your recovery phone number. I click on remove mobile number. This will remove your mobile number from your Yahoo as your recovery phone number. Then click on looks good to log in to your Yahoo Mail portal by clicking on mail. In the inbox, you'll find a notification informing you that your phone number used as recovery has been removed from your Yahoo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive any update. And for more information, under the description below, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can remove your recovery phone number from your Yahoo Mail accounts. Thank you.